Firstly, let me apologise for my voice. I've had a bit of a cold. Here is my analysis of an application. I've chosen the taste.com.au app. Who is the target audience? The target audience for this app is mainly women, however, not forgetting the men aged between 25 and 50 years of age, who usually prepare the daily meals for their family. The audience has an understanding of cooking and is interested in trying and creating new recipes rather than relying on pre-made or packaged meal ideas. They are technically savvy and rely heavily on their smartphones. What is the main goal purpose? The purpose of this app is to provide recipes to its users. It's like having a million cookbooks rolled into one easy application. It provides recipe ideas and inspiration in one easy-to-use package without needing all the different books. Here are my wireframes. Here we have the home page, which features a recipe of the day. Here you can scroll through the other options. We're given an image of the recipe and then the title. On each page we have a navigation footer, which is wonderful as it doesn't feel like it's taking up much screen space. It's easy to navigate as we're given these different options here with different colours. Here we have recipe collections and here recipe search. They're quite similar in a way. Here we can search for an idea. Here we can search for a particular recipe. So say we want a four ingredient recipe. We click on here and more recipes load. And on this one we type in, say we want to make a potato bake here, which I've recently viewed. As you can see, they are saved for future reference. We're also given images of the finished recipe and its name. Here we have favourites. Pretty basic really. We can save a favourite recipe by using this little star on the actual recipe itself, which then saves directly into that. And then the wonderful addition of a shopping list. Here we can click on these items here and they save directly into the shopping list and it will give you the amount that you require. Here we can then delete or share it. Once we're on the recipe, we're given an image, the name, the ingredients, and then we go on to the method. Up here we have a little, like another navigation. So here we have the method. We're given these little circles, which shows us that we can scroll through. So here we have 3 steps for this recipe. And here we have comments and notes. I haven't done wireframes of these as it's not really useful, which I'll discuss more later. Here's my flowchart. The whole app revolves around picking a recipe. So this is why I've placed it in the middle. And then we're given click to, click back to. Then here, the homepage, recipe of the day, the recipe collections, search, shopping list, and favourites. Once we're on the recipe, it's easy to then get back to where we were previously. Once we're on a recipe as well, we get the ingredients, the method, the swipe function, as I discussed, comments and notes. Persona 1, here's Sarah, she's 27 and she rents with her long-term partner. She is a business professional. Key attributes, she uses her smartphone frequently for social media and gathering information. She is a hard worker and often home late. She enjoys cooking and is often looking for new recipe ideas. She catches the train to and from work. Her quote is, "We're both very busy and I wish I had more time to cook for my partner and I." Here's Lisa, she's 40 and owns a home with her husband and her 3 school-aged children. She's a stay-at-home mum. She uses her smartphone daily to keep up to date with family and friends and basic web and app surfing. She doesn't get much time to herself with 3 young kids, with lots of cooking and cleaning to be done around the home. Lisa enjoys cooking for her family, one job that is appealing to her, and she likes to try new and exciting recipes to keep her children interested in the food, but is happy with some basic meals. She spends a lot of time at home being a homemaker. Her quote is, "Cooking each night for the family is one part of the day I look forward to." App usage for these two. Now, Sarah has an iPhone 6. She saves recipes to try in the future. She likes the easy search function. She makes her own dinner decisions on the way to work based on the app. Excuse me. Lisa uses an Android device. She saves the recipes that her family have enjoyed previously to try and cook again one day. She likes the built-in shopping list, and this helps her stay on track with the shopping budget. She prepares the meals meal plans based on the recipe she has saved to try or make again. Strengths. It has a very easy to navigate feel. The footer navigation makes it easy to view at all times whilst using the app. The search bars are useful for the user to find exactly what they want. The recipe collections gives the user the ease of browsing different categories such as type of cuisine, style of cooking, etc. The colours used throughout the app are consistent, and the images used are quite appealing. The number of steps in the recipe is easily viewed with the coloured circles and easy to scroll through to the next page or swipe. The addition of the shopping list feature is handy as it will help the user refer back to the app more frequently rather than just using it to search for recipes. They use it as a shopping list for another option. The ease of adding ingredients from one recipe to the shopping list is easy with one quick little push of your finger. Weaknesses. The recipe title when viewing is only visible on the ingredients page. This can be of annoyance if the viewer is switching between two recipes, and then the comments and notes section on the recipe are quite often empty, and this feels quite pointless, which I'll discuss. My findings and recommendations. Overall, it's a very clean and easy to use application. It delivers a strong purpose, which is a solution to the user's needs, finding recipes. I would add a review section, as this gives the other users a chance to review the recipe and recommend it to others. This is actually offered on the desktop version. So to include this review section, I would actually remove the comments, as this is through the app itself and the creators. It's not from anybody like another user's comment, and I would replace that with the review page. And then I would make the notes section a notepad for the user to add any information, such as next time I would add more cream to the mixture, as again it's just by the creators and their notes. Okay, sorry again for my voice, and thank you for watching.